Want to pass your driving test? Make sure you understand lane choices like this. Here, we're approaching Calder Junction from West Calder, heading towards Edinburgh city centre. First, watch the red car. The red car approaches in the leftmost lane, enters the roundabout and follows this lane around towards the Edinburgh city centre exit. But here's where it gets interesting. The left lane isn't your only option. Watch the blue car on the same approach. This time, the blue car approaches the roundabout using the middle lane. It enters the roundabout, follows the correct lane around, and also continues towards the Edinburgh city centre exit. So both approaches can take you towards Edinburgh city centre. Red car, left lane. Blue car, middle lane. Both heading for the same Edinburgh city centre exit. Which lane would you have chosen? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe to the channel for more driving tips, road layouts, and videos like this to help you become a safer and more confident driver.